on. Big rookie quarterback autograph. Good luck, AEG. Thank you, William. Me dancing will not help the business.
How do you know?
Maybe Sam rapping would help the business.
I don't do that for free.
Oh, no, you don't. You're right. You don't want me. It would not.
Today is. Y'all figured out what y'all gonna start dragging cards again? Sorry, what's in college? PSA. See what is another one?
Amari Rogers.
It's not bad at all. What's the turnaround on it? Oh, really?
Willis McGahee. Sensational Sigs Auto.
I'm just gonna start collecting. I think I'm not gonna start doing anything else with them. But once I do keep them, get them all graded and just hang on to them. Man, I appreciate you.
Trevor Lawrence Fireworks. F21. Chris Evans Silver. Yeah, we hit a gold vinyl rookie. Silver of Fields. A Justin Herbert Color Blast. We have not hit a big rookie autograph. That's what we're looking for right now. Justin Fields. Big rookie quarterback. We had a Waddle out of the first lot, not this case. Jay Tuffle. Eddie N. Jamar Chase insert. Gold vinyl's out of 5. The black finite is out of 1. Wow, there we go. Mac Jones out of 149. 53 of 149. Should have another autograph, right? Devonta Smith, Amon Green. Oh, nice Mahomes. 3 of 49. Fireworks, Patrick Mahomes. Anything good, Sam? AEG, way to keep going. Mac Jones silver rookie auto. There you go. You knew there had to be one somewhere in the case, something of that quality. Congratulations. All right, I will open a new case of Prizm if anybody would like. I would guess that and the gold vinyl and the color burst were